Vietnamese are asking for teh tarik. Oh my god, it sounds so bad. This is the home of Project A, Johor Bahru. Shame on me, it's the first time I come here in 2 years. We're going on to stop number 3 and 4. Nice place. It looks a lot like Eramaju.
Right? How are you guys not tired?
How are we not tired?
Yeah.
We have business class seats at the back. We can chill like he's the one who's driving. This is our 3rd stop.
All right.
And the first time visiting you guys. So I want to know, we all want to know,
Okay.
what is this all about? Dunia Hyper World.
Hyperworld, yes.
What is Hyper World doing?
Do wheels, basic maintenance, some performance stuff as well,
Bilsteins.
which is how we connect with them. So we handle all the performance side of things.
It looks like a Land Rover logo.
Right? That's what I thought too when the first time I saw it.
And even the same color.
Yep.
It's like Land Rover.
Actually, the printing, that's not the exact color. The original color is much more brighter.
Yeah.
I think something's wrong with the ink.
So acceptance is the car comes in, then one person goes around the car, takes all the remarks.
Yes, exactly.
Got
We follow the same process even when it comes to the detailing side of things as well, where we have a checklist of pre-inspection and also pre-delivery checklist that the customer needs to sign.
Very good. Very important.
Very important, yeah.
Secure yourselves. And here I see this is where you test air suspension and tires for leaks.
Yes.
Nice. Or shower. Maybe you. Well, this is a very professional, beautiful setup. This is just perfect. I like it. Guest stop.
When our work is finished, we will keep all the computer inside.
Oh.
For the Japanese car,
Heaven for mechanics. So clean also. Oh wow. Okay. Well equipped. Well equipped. So troubleshooting is no problem here.
Yep.
Pathfinder.
So the next addition to it is also data logging from tuned cars.
Yep.
I see the road down there. It sometimes would allow for logging and driving.
Except for the road at the front. That road it should be good because it's a straight road
Okay, wonderful.
and less bumps.
Wow, look at that, man. BMW icon, Mercedes-Benz. Century, yeah, there you go. You got Century.
Yeah.
How long have you been in business?
3 years.
3 years. 3 years of operation. Huh? But the structure is very nice, very clean. Very clean. Wink, wink.
Actually, we get a lot of cars coming in here for wiring, electronic related issues, because most of the time, like you see, we have a complete package of A to Z, all the computer diagnostic tools and everything, and most shops actually lack, so they can't, diagnose certain cars. So whenever it's an electronic related issue, you obviously need a diagnostic tool to be able to read the car.
Yeah.
So that's why we actually get a lot of cars coming in related to wiring or
Yeah,
electronic
it
issues.
takes an expert to troubleshoot these things properly. Yeah. And this is this is the entrance with office, and then
It's the office.
wow, the setup is phenomenal, man. One-stop solution center, just like ours.
Exactly, that's
I
what
like
we plan to do, right? Like you can have everything for car and just from detailing or from performance upgrades, including tuning, obviously, and also your maintenance.
Yeah.
So everything can be done here.
I'm a little bit jealous now. Okay, so we have 3 ECUs with us. They all have to go up to our friends from Y3. They are about half an hour away from here, but it would interfere with our plans. So what we're going to do is we're going to take those ECUs, send them up with a motorbike, and have them do their jobs while we are doing our jobs here. The ECUs.
You also have some?
I have one M8 ECU from Indonesia.
So the ECU unlock is for the clients in Vietnam.
Yeah, there's 2 Vietnamese cars. This is one in Jakarta.
Okay. So for Mercedes ones, you still have to ship it to Europe.
They can also
They can do it as well. Okay. Can save time and shipping as well, right?
Yeah, although if you ship to Europe, it ends up a little cheaper than if you do it with them.
Oh.
It pains me, it irks me a lot because the cost for it is more than the tune.
What makes it so exclusive that why can't Project A do the unlocks?
Basically, in order to get to the chipset, the microchip has the information stored, and that chip is secured with a firewall.
Yep.
And there's no loophole to get through it. So the hackers are trying to get through it, like for years already. But there's one company before that has the original BMW bootloader.
I see. Okay.
So basically, they stole the BMW keys lah. So they open up and then they unlock it. They remove the firewall and make other people able to actually flash this thing.
Okay.
Now somebody else, a new player in the game called TAS, T-A-S, in Shanghai, found the same way. And now he's offering it in Asia. Basically same thing, absolutely same thing. If somebody did that commercially in a country where, for example, BMW could sue you, they would sue you until your end of days, your grandchildren's end of days.
Yeah. But my question is, why don't do it in-house? Is it because of the risk that's involved?
I can't do it. I don't have the
I mean,
technology for it.
the company that you said from Shanghai, which
They do it in China, but they only trust a few people across the globe to represent them. And one of them, lucky enough, is to be Y3.
Okay. 1 minute away, almost here. Ya, you pusing depan jalan besar. Bukan jalan besar, tu main road.
Bye bye, ECUs.
Bye bye, ECUs. Bye bye, thousands of ringgit.
It was put in a box.
So done with stop number 4. This is Dunia Hyper. This is specialized in maintaining cars, repairing cars, and also in the end will be our direct tuning workshop here. So where tunes will be applied, diagnostics will be done, logs will be performed. So this is the performance part. And now we're moving on to Clean Lab, which is Shan's part of actually doing detailing and everything that is after repairs and so on. So whatever you want to do, wash your car, detail your car, this is where it's at.
Plus car care products as well.
Car care products,
yeah,
yes.
Shampoos and all that stuff.
Shampoos.
Yeah, shampoo.
Wonderful. All right, let's go. I want to see it. Oh my God, we'll feel like 7-Eleven in Thailand.
Yep.
Hello,
that's the
welcome.
motif. 7-Eleven for car care products.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's Andrew, my partner.
Andrew? Hi, I'm
He's
Michael.
with the garage.
Pleasure. Nice to meet you. How are you? Thank you. Oh, it's wonderful. Actually, sometimes I wash my car in my front porch. So maybe like,
Do you want to grab something?
why not? Mine was eaten by the dogs.
That happened to mine a few days back. My dry towel. There was a big hole in
like
it.
this. Literally everything, you're right. Wow,
Yep.
look at that. Even though to blow everything dry.
Yeah, we won't have the tools, other than all the chemicals, the tools as well.
What do we have
It's
here?
complete. That is a
polishing
hotless polishing machine, mini polishing machine. So we are also the Malaysian Book of Record holder for the most number of brands under one roof. We actually carry more than 70 over brands with us. So all the products you see here are authorized to be sold by them, and they're all original. So the detailing bay is a bit messy since we are still working on this car.
Where got messy?
We haven't gone to the back part yet.
Okay.
So yeah, we are still working on this car, so things are still everywhere.
Where is it messy?
This,
If you consider this messy, have you
the
seen my
tables are
shop?
messy, and yeah,
Oh.
it's messy.
Okay, so everything you can wash here, the water will drain.
Yep, exactly. So we try to keep everything dry as much as possible, so your work area is always dry. One advantage that we have over, again, I'm not comfortable comparing ourselves to other detailing shops, but what we offer is spotless water. So we have a filtration system that has no hard water at all. It filters everything out.
Yeah.
So no water spotting issue if you wash your car here.
Germans are, that's what I just said, it's actually very impressive how many of these brands are actually German and how up there they are. Like
Yep.
in terms of chemicals, we have Bayer, we have Koch, we have so many different huge companies.
What's interesting about KCX is they manufacture in Germany, ship directly from Una. So
Una.
yeah, so it doesn't
Whoop-pot.
get passed to any other manufacturing factories. It's only manufactured at a single factory.
Dunia Hyper, and here is, wow, it's impressive. There's actually, I mean, we were dreaming of doing something in JB one day where we have this kind of format that we have right now with the proper partners. And it's very good to see that this dream can come true. We were even thinking of about actually having something of our own, like what we have in KL.
Yep.
Because we have all the Singaporeans,
Yeah.
we have, you know, a lot of JB customers. I think JB is the second best market in Malaysia.
Yep, definitely.
Then KL, JB, Penang.
Yep.
Those are what
The
I
big markets,
consider
yeah.
the markets. And JB really needs some proper catering too.
Yep. If Project A decides to, you know, open another branch similar to KL and JB, we'll definitely support, you know, any way we can.
Well, I would only do this. I don't like to backstab. I don't like
Yeah,
to go
yeah.
behind other people. So it's like, if I want to do something, let's do it together. Like we started this off together, we are in this together, then let's all have a spot in this. And I think the synergy effect is always what you want. You want somebody you can trust.
Yep.
So that's why I have Eugene and Dave. They are very reliable, very loyal. Now we have you. So this is a very good team. Very pleased.
It's always a pleasure to work with Project A.
He had to say that. He had
Yeah, I
to
have to
say
say
that.
that.
He definitely
I
had
had to say
that.
that for camera. Okay, so next thing on the itinerary is we go for dinner. It's rest down the road.
McCann's. Awesome. Shan,
Yep.
did you hear from that woman?
No.
I buy thousands of ringgits.
She still hasn't delivered it, is it?
No. You got her number?
Yeah, I'm calling. Hello? Hello, Barati sudah hantar. Obviously, she went to the wrong location, but she hasn't delivered the item to the wrong person. 2 minutes away. She's nearby.
He's scared as hell. Are you scared?
You know, I got scared because it was my idea.
You has to buy 2 new ECUs. Oh God.
There's a lot over there.
Wow. Okay. Alex, he just told me that the ECUs arrived finally.
All right, thank God.
Thank
Getting
God.
kind of worried. Yep.
Now your hunger is back. We can eat, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's eat. Pizza party.
We'll
A
go
lot
around.
of people say pineapple doesn't belong on pizza. I like it.
Pineapple on pizza, if that goes online, you're gonna get a lot of backlash for that.
The other boys wanted to bring us durian earlier. Missed out on that one because we wanted to make sure we arrive in time because of the traffic.
Okay. Do you like durian?
I love durian.
Okay, I'll get 1 cent to do the Project A.
Okay, we still have the ECUs are not done.
Okay.
So we have time for an abzaka.
Abzaga? Well,
Abzaka. How do you translate abzaka? It actually means to sink down. So basically, it means a drink after food.
Okay. So you want to go for a drink? Beer house.
We would like a beer on me.
Let's go to beer house.
On you.
Cheers to the cameraman.
Yeah. So this was stop number 4, I guess, right? Wasn't it? It was 4 stops that we had on this long day. We rewarded ourselves with a few after dinner drinks. Had a great time. I hope you enjoyed yourself here too and got a good impression on what's going on in Malaysia, how the industry works. You had a little bit of an insight on how to spy on other workshops and how they structure their business. And it was great seeing your operations. Very impressed though. I had only met you in KL in our workshop and I never expected, not downplaying it, but I never expected this to be this grand. So I'm absolutely looking forward to working with you.
Likewise, definitely.
And coming here more often also to support. And I believe this was a very, very fruitful day, I guess. We are packing up and going back to Kuala Lumpur, 3 hours drive to go. If you like what you see and you're keen on seeing more of us traveling, meeting people, all these awesome people in our industry that we deal with, subscribe, like, and stay tuned for the next episode.
Alright, safe journey. I'll see you in Vietnam. Have fun. See you.
See you next time.
Peace out.
Thank you.